Musical note: light, energetic music. How much does a data analyst really earn? Fearful faith. People say 20 LPA, but what's the reality? Let's uncover the true earning potential for data analysts in India. Let's start with what a fresher data analyst typically earns. In India, a fresher data analyst earns around 3 to 6 LPA. Now let's look at the growth after gaining some experience. With 1 to 2 years of experience, it can go up to 6 to 10 LPA. The salary trajectory gets even more exciting in top-tier companies. And in top companies, even 12 to 20 LPA is possible. But there's one condition for reaching those high salaries. You need the right skills to prove your value and secure top compensation. Ready to take the next step and maximize your earning potential? Focus on learning Excel, SQL, and Python, the core tools for any successful data analyst. Acquire these skills and grow your salary fast.